DeBrum. And he's here with his wife, Jenitha DeBrum. We also have Sweeter Gideon. She's going to play some ukulele, so you make sure that you can hear her when she plays it. And we have Ailing Gideon Jr. And he's here, and they're here with their family member who has appeared in movies on the Marshall Islands, and her name is Netha Gideon. And they are going to share a special story. It is an oral story, a story that is told with your mouth. It doesn't have a book that comes along with it. And they are also, you do have the book? You do have the books? I stand corrected, they have the books. But they are also going to perform a skit with the story that they're going to share. So, who needs my microphone? And this is my friend, if you don't know her, this is my friend Melisa Laelan. And she was a lead mom, and she works for the Arkansas Coalition of Marshallese. She runs the place, and she helps to work with families, Marshallese families in Springdale and Northwest Arkansas.
Yeah. Who would have thought that I would have the pleasure to correct a principal, right? So I'm going to correct him. We are going to bring you two skits. The first one that you're going to see relates to what happened on a daily life of a child, a student. What happens when they get up and go to school and stuff like that. But the second one is a really interesting one. It's actually a story, folk tale. I think that's what it is. We call it Inoñ. Fairy tale. So yeah, but you get to see the motions and the actions that are going on, so it's going to be interesting. So hold on to your seat and enjoy.
The story is called On a School Day in the Marshall Islands. Inoñ ran into Ailing Gideon. On a school day in the Marshall Islands, you got reefed in the Ailing. I wake up when the sun comes up. And the rooster crows. I eat pancakes and donuts. And drink coconut for breakfast. I walk to school.
I'm gonna tell all that to you.
Wow! What a walk!
Lolo, Ning, Pop, Man, Pinana William. I pass coconut, pandanus, breadfruit, and banana tree. Kurugo, dogs. Pavo, chicken. Ujigo, cats. Impiko, and pigs. And the ocean on the way to school. I go to a small school with 3 classrooms. im royaman, and 2 thatched huts. Ya ruduk jujual ke igar tabar juguleo. I take off my sandals when I get to school. Each kada, kadin milo, kadin bedded, math, social studies, science, and in health. I study Marshallese, English, math, social studies, science, and health. I play baseball in the field.
Come on! Bring the ball!
Im kapelbel iloan yellen eligun kapudi and hopscotch on the road at recess. Ijagalangan moyo. I go home for lunch. Im mga relib right, if, quit, imun. Any rice, fish, octopus, and turtle.
That's not rice.
Each kamana terrible magi jubul. After school, I do my chores. Yukure volleyball, play volleyball. Im ao ilo and swim in the lagoon. I walk home from school. Did you eat Rani June? Tomorrow is another day of school. The end.